Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix CPU usage 100% on Windows 11. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. The first thing you need to do is you have to go to the search bar and you have to search for CMD. Then tap on Run as Administrator. After that tap on the Yes button. Okay, here it is. Now you have to type GP update, then tap enter. So it will update your policy. You have to wait a bit. You can see computer policy update has completed successfully. After that type exit. Okay, tap enter. Then go to the search bar again and search for Windows update. Okay, go there and make sure your Windows is updated. You can see you are up to date. If it's not, you have to update. You can see there is available. You have to download it and install it. After that again you have to go to CMD, and obviously you have to tap on Run as Administrator, not Open. After that you have to type another command, which is chk dsk space c colon space /f. Tap enter. Okay, after that type Y, tap enter. Okay, that's it. Type exit. Okay, after that right click on your Windows button, then tap on Run. Type msconfig. Okay, here it is. Tap on OK. After that go to the service option. Okay, now select hide all Microsoft service. Okay, after that you have to type disable all, then you have to type OK. As I don't have that problem, I'm not gonna do that. So if you have that problem, you have to select this one first, then you have to disable all the things, then you have to tap OK, then you have to restart your computer, and hopefully there will be no problem. And if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.